Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel HVAC Work by Samyullah Khan. Today our topic is about the condenser of packing unit. This is our York packing unit of 20 ton and that is the condenser of our packing unit of York. So this new design you can see before I never seen anything like that. And now to service this condenser unit time to time because it's very important, and how to service this I will show you in this video. The same procedure of our service procedure before I show you how to clean the cooling coil, and now that's the condenser of the packing unit. So this you must clean it from one side and another side, and from the inside of the coil. So must clean from every side. Some people what they are doing only clean it from the outside and leave it, but they don't know they are damaging this condenser, because when you clean it from outside the dust is stuck inside. You can see we are going to open this now from the inside, and you must clean it from the inside also. So it's very important. The condenser is a very important part of any cooling system. This condenser is cooling the freon by the outdoor air. So you can see we are going to clean it from the inside. I show you that when you will clean this from inside, the dust is coming outside again. So it means when you clean from outside, you must clean it from the inside also. The work of condenser is to cool the freon, which is highly compressed in the compressor, and then after compressor you go to condenser. And what is the work of condenser? Condenser is making cold that freon, which is high temperature, with the air of outside air, with the outdoor air. So this is a very important part of the cooling system. If it's not work properly, your system is not cooling inside. If your condenser is dirty, your inside coil is not cooling properly, because you cannot get the proper cooling. And another thing, if your condenser is dirty, maybe you damage your compressor, because it will work on high pressure. More pressure means more pressure working compressor means you are going to damage your compressor. So very important to clean this condenser, and properly the unit will be work. Thanks for watching my videos. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.